Hello, I'm Seth, and today we're going to go over our model SS300 wing Sentry at Sentry Air Systems. This application we're going to have right here for review here is our soldering. This unit right here will produce up to 350 CFM, down to 50 for low, and you can adjust that with the variable speed controller on it. These wings are adjustable, and we also offer an acrylic lid to help give you some more space. This can be used for anything like light solvents or adhesives. You can contact us and we'd be happy to go over that application with you to recommend the best filter combination for that. To access these filters, it's right behind the control panel here. To replace those, you can simply loosen the knobs in the back of the hood of the unit and lift them straight up. To replace them, you put them straight back down and you can just hand tighten the knobs. This is a good fit for confined spaces if you don't have enough room for our standard fume hoods. If you have any questions on this, feel free to contact us. Thank you.